It's 7 weeks since D-Day. To break out of Normandy, we're pushing inland to secure Marigny. That's how we'll control the roadways and plow across France to Paris. Liberation's coming soon. Me and the fellas, I'd say we're doing pretty good. Not good enough for Pearson, but nothing is. Maybe I'll get home by Christmas with a couple medals on my chest. But first, we gotta take Marigny.
Schmeling versus LaMotta.
Schmeling would have KO'd LaMotta.
No way. And Schmeling's a Nazi. I'd shoot him in a heartbeat.
Now, they made him their poster boy. That guy didn't have a choice.
We all got a choice.
You know, Nietzsche said there was only strong...
That's enough mouth. All right. What about Lewis versus Sugar Ray
If
Robinson?
we're talking 1938, Lewis Robinson wins hands down.
Hey!
Look who came back for more.
I thought you were out another week.
Not after I heard a bunch of tough SOBs were about to take Marigny.
Yeah, well, playbook's working. At this rate, we'll be home by Christmas. Don't just stand there. Let's see.
All right. Not bad, eh?
Oh. I've seen worse.
Glad to have you back, Private.
Good to be back, sir.
All right, fellas. We got a unique opportunity here. This is our chance to break out of Normandy. It won't be easy. The hedgerows are heavily defended. We got reports of Kraut armor in the area. But if we can hold and secure Marigny, we own the roadways. And if Zussman can take a knife in the gut and come out swinging, I like our odds just fine.
Always bet on a winner, sir.
For Turner, shielding us is his noble calling.
Let's move!
The war just has a habit of getting in the way.
All right, first platoon, we're rolling out. Let's go! Let's go!
Hey. You know, a wound like this takes 8 weeks to heal.
I'm ready, Sergeant. You've got my word.
Oh, your word, huh? That don't mean shit to me. So you're good, huh?
I'm just fine and dandy, sir.
You got guts, Private. I just don't want to see them.
Tanks rolling!
Hang on tight, boys. It's gonna get rough.
What else is new?
I think Pearson likes you.
Like a lion likes a steak.
Let's go! Let's go!
Looks like you're holding up all right.
Yeah, how about yourself?
Couldn't let you guys have all the fun.
Fun's not allowed under Pearson. You know why he's always writing you? Kasserine Pass.
Lost my best friends there.
Yeah, earned him an Article 15 and a demotion. He had to be a hard-ass, and his men paid the price. Mission was FUBAR, a massacre. Nazis had no mercy. Hell, we only survived because they didn't have time to seal the western exit. Almost lost everything thanks to that son of a bitch. But Turner still ain't over it. Matter of fact, he was the one who wrote him up. But Pearson figures if he makes you a model platoon, he'll get it scrubbed.
Only we're doing the scrubbing.
Yeah, now you're getting it. It's why he's never gonna give up. He'd kill to have it removed.
You know what I'd kill for? Decent grub.
You just had supper.
Hey, shit on a shingle doesn't count.
Hey, how about barbecue, eh?
They never stood a chance.
I'm guessing no to the open casket.
Yeah, that's somebody's son.
Nah, it's a crowd.
Daniels is right. They're not all bad.
They did give us Kepler, Mozart.
All right, college.
Marlena Dietrich.
See, that's more like it.
Don't forget about their inventions. We got the printing press, electron microscope.
Frankfurters.
You guys are killing me.
You guys hear that?
It's headed this way.
Stukas, inbound!
Me out of there! Clear the tanks!
Enemy tank! Get off the road! We'll circle around! Move! We have to protect our Shermans. That's black fire in the distance. We're gonna capture one of their AA guns to bring down those Stukas.
MG's in the barn!
Shit! Everyone down! Left and right! Go, go, go!
Target's on the second floor! Towards the barn! Up top! Moving! Clear! Barn secured!
Push into the field! We need to rally with our tanks!
Spread out!
Move! Push him back! Get after them!
Come on, they're on the run! Keep pushing!
They're surrendering! Hold your fire! You two!
On the
secure
floor,
those
Fritz!
pillars. Daniel, keep us moving!
There's the flak gun! Getting close!
Those Stukas are killing our tanks!
Armor needs our support! We're gonna take the AA gun behind that tree line!
Hey, gun! Let's clean up these crowds and help our tanks out!
Get on that flak gun and take out those Stukas! Those bombers are killing our armor! You gotta take them down! Here they come! 2 o'clock!
Good! Keep firing!
Nice shot, Daniels!
Guy on the radio sounds pissed! Crowds don't know what's happening!
More coming in! Dead ahead! Target destroyed! Can't take much more of this! Those Stukas! Direct hit! They're on to us!
Stuka's attacking our position!
He's going down! 10 o'clock, high!
Direct hit! Straight ahead!
Good! Keep firing!
That's all you got? Not yet!
9 o'clock!
High! There's too many! Stay sharp! Above!
Hit him, Daniel!
That's all of them. Good job, Daniels. Hey, Perez! Hey, Perez! You okay? They got my buddy Mills in the ambush, but we hit him back hard. The holdouts are dug in with packs up ahead. Gotta clean them out.
All right, Pearson, take a fire team through the orchard and find an overwatch position. After you soften up the packs, I'll lead the main assault with Perez.
Yes, sir!
Daniel, Zussman, you're with me. Come on.
Perez says Pack 38s. What the hell's that?
German artillery. Tank killers. Didn't you read the briefing?
What are we supposed to do against tank killers?
I was wondering that myself. It's one of ours. P-47.
Damn it. Wish I would have gotten to that flak gun sooner.
Can't blame yourself.
Those are civilians. This is a war crime.
No shit, college.
Over here. We've got a vantage point. Get out your binoculars. There's Perez and his boys. They're heading right into hell. We gotta hit those pack operators hard. Everyone open.
I got eyes on 2 packs. Daniel, take out the
Pack crew is dead. There's one more. Pick up that sniper rifle, Daniel. Enemy troops! Those TAC 38 crews are down! Our tanks are moving up! Let's mop up the rest of the Krauts in the...
Coming in from the northeast! I have a first aid kit!
All clear! Watch out! Enemy tanks coming over the trench!
Another enemy position just past the hedges. Fall in behind the tanks. Let's put these rhinos to good use. All tanks forward.
MG-42s! Stay behind the tanks! Use the tanks for cover! We got Krauts running out of the trenches!
Gunner, target that MG-42 nest, right side! Fire! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Keep pushing! More Germans behind this ridge!
Coming in from the south!
That's right, Briggs! We're coming for you!
Keep moving! Keep pushing forward!
Allied tank is down! Taking fire from Pac 38! Need eyes on them! We can't advance until those Pac 38s are down! Get the high ground and take out the Pac 38 crews! All tanks fighting up!
Daniel, move to one of those barns! Take up a sniping position! He's leading cover! Holding fire! Rear guard, keep moving fire!
Daniels, pick up a scoped rifle and hit those packs!
I see 3 pack guns!
Hit the ammo caches! You got it! 2 more! Daniels, keep it up! Daniels, shoot the ammo caches on the Pac 38s! Daniel, shoot the ammo caches! Hit the ammo caches! He's breaking from cover! They're trying to repeat... Shoot, Daniels! are moving. We gotta sweep the trenches.
Thanks for the fire support, Daniels. All tanks, light up those trenches. Let's clear it out. Pearson, get your men up there and clear those trenches.
Roger that! Everyone move up and clear those trenches!
On the floor, Fritz! First aid kit ready when you are!
Hey, it's Turner. They're all right.
Rally on Turner! Move!
Lieutenant.
Hold on. CO approaching!
All right, listen up. Charlie Company's under assault near the church. They need ammo and fire support. Send a squad immediately.
Sir, we're already stretched pretty thin.
Then stretch thinner.
Yes, sir.
We can take the jeep, so we're gonna need armored support.
All right, that's the plan. Perez! Pearson will follow you with the squad.
Can't do it. Just got orders from Collins. We're heading west with the 11th.
God damn it.
Those boys are running out of time.
You're on your own. Take the jeeps and head out. Move!
All right, snap to it! Charlie's up shit creek and we're the paddle. Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, which way to Marigny?
Follow this road to the next village over. Big turn coming! Go easy! The road splits up ahead! Keep an eye out for those retreating Krauts! They'll run right on top of Charlie Company! We gotta get there first! Swing left! Look out! Dangerous Krauts up ahead! Keep going! Go right! Gone out! Answers ahead! Watch out! Close one!
Taking fire! Need reinforcements! We're
Over there,
pinned down!
Floor it!
Which way?
Ah, straight! Go straight!
Can't hold them much longer!
One! Ah! Shit!
Suspect! Grab the wheel! I'm getting on the gun!
I'm on it! Enemy jeep! Grab jeep! Get ahead!
Can't hold them much longer!
Charlie's counting on us!
Road's blocked!
There's an opening! Hold on! Enemy troops! House on the right! Straight ahead! Take him out! Almost there! Hang on! Charlie Company's in that house!
Here!
They're all over the house! More coming in! Circle left! Don't let up! That's all you got?
They're falling back!
Clean up the rest!
Set up a perimeter by the road. Just a few more. All clear. Rally up.
We gotta stop meeting like this.
Don't you be going soft on me, Murphy.
Well, thanks for showing up when you did.
Thank Captain Davis. It was his orders. Okay. It's too late to press on. So it looks like you boys got a reprieve.
Excuse me, Sergeant? Isn't half the crowd army on the other side of those buildings? Shouldn't we find a
better place to set up a perimeter?
Sure, Private. Why don't you book us a room at the Ritz?
Sir. He's scared as all.
Why don't you worry about your own problems? Like how that side is gonna hold up tomorrow.
I'm right as rain, Sergeant.
Daniels, why don't you watch him? The only thing more dangerous than the enemy is pride.
Rest up, boys. We take Meridier at first light.
Can't believe I'm fighting alongside Zussman again. He's holding up all right, considering we just blasted through miles of hedgerows. You'd think Pearson might go a little easier on him. You'd be wrong.